guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Samsung can't log in. So first and foremost, you're going to have to restart your device. Go ahead, long tap onto your power button, restart your device and see if it fixes your problem. Next, head over to your settings and at the top page you will see your Samsung account. If you have not signed in, it will ask you to sign in. Go ahead and tap onto it. All you have to do is sign in, and if you're already signed in, you're going to have to log out or sign out and re-log in again. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable. At times when your Wi-Fi is not stable, it might show some errors, so if your Wi-Fi is slower, switch it to your mobile data, or if you have a secondary Wi-Fi, switch it to your secondary Wi-Fi and it will definitely work.